Hey guys, welcome back to AppWiz. In today's video, I'll show you how to make over $200 on Binance for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, you'll need to deposit $50 into your Binance account so you can complete the campaign trading volume. Next, tap the message icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then, in the announcement section, look for newly listed tokens. These often include campaigns where you can earn vouchers that can later be sold for profit. For now, we'll tap on the newly listed token called ZBT. Once you're on the event page, tap Join this event. After joining, scroll down and complete a $500 trading volume, which will only cost you around $0.50 in fees. After completing this, you'll receive a $12 reward within 2 weeks. You can repeat this process with multiple campaigns and easily make a lot more money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.